you some information on some shirts I bought online. If you're on Facebook or Instagram, I'm sure you've saw Pink Classy's advertisements. They have lots of cute bathing suits and tank tops and shirts, and that's what I'm going to talk about today. This isn't really going to be a review because I just got these shirts, so I don't know how they're going to hold up. But I do want to give you a warning on something that happened to me. I placed the order for 4 tank tops. One of them ended up being not available, and this is the 3 here. I've got this one here, the one I'm wearing, and this one here. Now, the reason I said warning, because these 2 don't have any type of labels. This one does have a label, as far as a warning type label. It says, basically, to wash separately, professional dry clean recommended. Made in China, 100% polyester. Well, they all took a month to get here. So just to let you know, if you order, it's going to take at least a month to get here. This was the first one that came in. And I just washed it like I always do because I have a lot of shirts that have these type of vinyl letters on there. And then I put it in the dryer. That was a huge mistake. Washing it's fine because I was able to wash these 2, but you do not want to put it in the dryer. I don't know if you can tell, I will bring it in closer, but all the letters stuck together. And it's still stuck together, the letters are. So you cannot put these in the dryer. It doesn't say anything about do not put these in the dryer, but it does say dry cleaning, professional dry cleaning recommended. But it also says wash separately. So it's kind of it would be better if it says do not place in the dryer. So that's one warning that all of their shirts need to say. I didn't even attempt to dry these because, like I said, I got this one first, so I knew what would happen. One thing I noticed after I placed the order is that they're very bad about deleting negative comments. You'll click on one of their pictures, it'll say 40 comments, but only like 1 or 2 will show up. So I think a lot of the negative comments are about the shipping, because I myself was kind of concerned after I placed the order, because you'll get a shipping notice, and even after the shipping notice, it takes a full month to get here. Because normally you expect to order something, and then once you get the shipping notice, you're usually going to get it within a week. So you do have to keep that in mind. And like I said, I'll go ahead and bring you in closer so you can see what I'm talking about on the letters. It's supposed to say Momma Tried, and in reality, I didn't even realize when I ordered it, but it's not even spelt the way it's supposed to be spelt. It's supposed to be M-A-M-A, but it was M-O-M-M-A, which I didn't even notice that. But you can't even tell because the letters are stuck together. And I didn't even have a chance to dry it all the way because I always take my clothes out a little bit earlier, so I didn't even dry it all the way. But if you, like I said, if you get one of these shirts, do not put it in the dryer unless you just want to ruin it immediately. So that's what it looks like after it's been in the dryer. On some of the comments that I was able to read, it says they run small, which is true. I found that these run fairly small. Of course, I like to eat, so that might be part of the problem. Maybe I should cut back a little. But anyways, I just want to give you a quick little idea of what to expect. You know, when you order online from companies you're not familiar with, there is a risk. I mean, I think this shirt is adorable, but like I say, it runs very small, and of course, I would much rather have known not to put this in the dryer because I do have lots of shirts like this with the vinyl lettering that I've dried many times with no problem. So this is just a heads up. Thanks a lot.